Infographics, the power of an image and text combined. Hey folks, Rod here. Welcome to Burn to Learn. Today we want to show you how to make infographics in a very professional and entertaining way using PowerPoint. First, let's create a blank session by selecting a blank layout at home. Now we're going to add shapes. So go to the Insert bar, then click on Shapes, and there you'll get a lot of options. Let's select the oval shape. Now drag the oval shape and size it to the size you want. Now go to Format and click Outline and select No Outline. Now you can change the color by clicking Shape Fill and then change the color. Go to Home and scroll over to the Drawing Select and drag Text Box to the circle. Now add the text you want. Click on the circle and go to Format and find the little icon arrow in the lower right-hand corner below the shape effects. Go to Format Shapes and click the second icon, which is labeled Effects. Then Shadow and set it at 70% of size. All the other parameters will be adjusted automatically. Now go down to Reflection and set it to 12% size. The parameters will be adjusted automatically as well. This would add a very nice look to our shape. We're going to do more shapes by repeating these steps. Each one will have a different information, so we're going to change its colors and content. These infographics are almost done. We will change the background color to make them look fantastic. Go to Design and then click on Format Background and select the color you want at the color option. Awesome, right? In our next video, we will show you how to add animation to these infographics. So subscribe and wait for it.